Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fun, fast YouTube tip. So let's get cracking. Friends, I am back with another update on subtitles. This is one of my most popular videos. If we click subtitles, I already have my English subtitles, but there are other languages I can be supporting. Once again, friends, let me show you how to quickly add more languages. So when I hit add language, I'm going to choose Hindi because I have a ton of Hindi users. Don't forget, it is super simple to click over here and hit translate because I have Tubebuddy. This feature is amazing and epic. Now, unfortunately, I cannot use any service to auto-translate this piece, so I'm going to translate it manually. I did find an issue comma, but check out this solution. So first, I am going to hit download, and I'm going to download the SBV. I'm going to put it in my download folder. I'm going to name it GET Captions, so I can start keeping track of this. The more of these I do, the more users I can hopefully reach. Now, once again, I do this process in Notepad++. I like it because it doesn't have limits. When I hit File Open, I'm already in my download folders, and there are the GET Captions. Once again, Control-A, Control-C to copy those. So once again, friends, I go to Google Translate. I'm going to do Control-V to paste, and check it out, 5,000 character limit is passed. So I'm going to get by that, and let me show you how. First, I'm going to go down and I'm going to choose the Hindi that I'm making. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I like to use the end key to get there quickly. I'm going to simply hit copy. I'm going to return to my document. I'm going to make the new one. So let's hit plus. And I'm going to do Control-V to paste. Notice I leave that character right there. I return to my document, and I click this little next button. It automatically picks up wherever it left off. I can hit N to get to the bottom. Once again, I copy that chunk, return to my document, make sure I click at that spot and do Control-V, and it continues. Once again, I back up to my document, I hit Next, I hit End, I hit Copy, and return to the document and do Control-V, and return, and hit Next until I have completed the whole process. That end key is super slick, copy is super slick, Control-V, Next, once again, end, copy, Control-V, Next, end, copy, Control-V, next. This is a lot of pages. Notice I did just finish, end, and copy, and paste. And we have just translated our document. We have got more than 1,500 lines. I can now hit File Save. I'm going to simply click on the old file once, and I'm going to put my H back here so I know this is my Hindi version. Hit Save. And now I can return to my video, click out here on Add, and we want to upload a file with the timings, continue, and grab that Hindi file right there. A few more steps, but oh my gosh, friends, we now have Hindi captions on one of my most popular videos. How cool is that? Friends, as I wrap up, this is yesterday's video. You can see here are yesterday's Hindi captions, and what I wanted to share with you was that one of my favorite users, Avi Ukt, reached out and said, hey, that Hindi translation is absolutely perfect. Totally makes my day to see that. Of course, I'm giving him a heart, and I also gave him a reply and a thumbs up. Friends, of course, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, don't forget you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.